The Nigerian Senate has moved to re-amend the Proceeds of Crime Recovery and Management Bill 2022, passed by the Chamber on March 9, 2022 last week. The decision to re-amend the bill followed the consideration of a motion for recommittal sponsored by the Senate leader Yahaya Abdullahi. In his presentation, Senator Yahaya Abdullahi relied on Orders 1B and 52 subsection 6 of the Senate Standing Orders 2022 as amended to move for the amendment of the bill. He explained that the re-amendment of the bill became imperative in view of the amendment that was made to Clause 74, which placed the burden of proof on the investigating agencies but not on the defendant, as recommended by the Joint Committee in its report. On the need to amend the Clause 74 of the bill, Abdullahi said the implication of the amendment is that civil forfeitures would be a thing of the past in Nigeria, as there would not be final forfeitures without a conviction.
The Senate recalls that the Proceeds of Crime, that's the Recovery and Management Bill 2022, was passed by this distinguished Senate on Wednesday, 9 March 2022. The Senate observes that some fundamental issues which require fresh legislative action emerged after a critical analysis of the bill, and considering the amendment that was made to Clause 74 of the bill, which placed the burden of proof on the investigating agencies but not on the defendant, which was the recommendation of the Joint Committee, and contrary to the provisions of Article 12, subsection 7 of the United Nations Convention Against Transnational Organized Crime, which provides as follows, and I quote, Section 7, states parties may consider the possibility of requiring that an offender demonstrate the lawful origin of alleged proceeds of crime or other property liable to confiscation, and relying on Order 1 subsection B and Order 52 6 subsection 6 of the Senate Standing Orders 2022 as amended, Senate resolved to rescind its decision on Clause 74 of the bill as passed and recommit same to the Committee on Judiciary, Human Rights and Legal Matters and Anti-Corruption and Financial Crimes with a view to exploring safeguards against abuse.
The Senate thereafter recommitted the bill to the Committees on Judiciary, Human Rights and Legal Matters and Anti-Corruption and Financial Crimes to engage the relevant agencies with a view to exploring safeguards against abuse. The bill, when signed into law, would expand the mandates of existing statutory institutions to manage proceeds of crime and facilitate the establishment of departments and relevant organizations to manage forfeited assets, as well as provide for effective legal framework for the recovery of proceeds of crime.
The Senate accordingly resolved to rescind its decision on Clause 74 of the bill as passed and recommit same to the Committees on Judiciary, Human Rights and Legal Matters and Anti-Corruption and Financial Crimes with a view to exploring safeguard against abuse.